What's up, YouTube? So I'm here in Raynham, Massachusetts today. Got two hallways and a staircase to clean. As you guys can see, this is pretty filthy. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Camera does not do it justice, but you can smell the grease. And when I say grease, I mean from Automotive. Just lingering here in this corridor. Alright, let me take you upstairs real quick. Got the staircase right here. Got it? Culprit. Hey, job security, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna stop prepping up. guys, so we're all set in this building. Definitely way better. Obviously this is worn, but definitely a difference. And then here's the first floor, and I'm gonna take you guys up to the second floor. How it looks now compared to earlier. Yeah, give it talk, sorry. Especially this area right here. I'm trying to talk close, so people think I'm talking to myself over here. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.